Hello friends. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we talk about how to fix Bluetooth not working on iPhone after iOS 26 update. But let's start this video. First of all, open setting. After this, turn on Bluetooth. Turn off this after this, wait 10 seconds, and turn on again after this. Go back, tap on General, tap on Software Update, and check if any update is available. First of all, update this after this, scroll down, tap on Date and Time. And always turn on this after this, go back. Scroll down and tap on Screen Time after this. Scroll down again, tap on Content and Privacy Restriction. And turn off this after this, go back. Open below again. Forget Device and reconnect again. Device and restart your mobile phone. Hopefully your problem will be solved if your problem is not solved. Open Setting again. Tap on General, scroll down. Tap on Transfer. Reset iPhone after this, tap on Reset and reset network setting. Your problem will be solved. Thanks for watching.